Albert Philipsen, he gets a lot of attention. 18 years old, already signed a contract for 5 years, and it seems like more and more of these young kids coming out of the junior ranks are getting automatic 5-year deals. But is there anybody else that we need to keep an eye out from Denmark?
Yeah, you have to keep an eye on this guy, Peter Øksenberg. There's writing. Actually, he signed with Ineos. Him and also Theodor Storm, a Danish rider that was sick and injured the whole season last year. He to not give them too much pressure. They actually because like Ineos, they don't have a developed team, so they actually start out on this Kern Lotto Conti team. And then the reason why Ineos, they really want this guy, Peter Øksenberg, that was because he, you remember Vingegaard, when he got his contract with Visma, that was also because he did this Col de Rat test in Kalbe, where he actually beat the record. And this Peter Øksenberg, he come from this Colo Quick team, where also Vingegaard he came from. And every year in February, March, when they are on training camp in Spain, they are doing this test on Col de Rat. And Øksenberg, he beat the record last year, and then Ineos they saw it, and also I think he had like UAE and other World Tour teams that want to sign him, and so Ineos they gave him I think 3 years contract, and on numbers, and that's the most important today. It's not about winning bike races; it's all about numbers, and that's what they all look into.